Hey peeps, it's Jedd here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to deal with some calculus, specifically differentiation using some of our rules. With that in mind, let's go straight into it. So they've said to us, determine dy over dx if y is equal to 4x cubed plus 2 over x. Now remember, the dy over dx simply means differentiate y with respect to x. So let's see how we can do that. The first thing I'm going to do is make this workable. What I mean by that, I'm going to say y is equal to 4x cubed, and let me write that through a little bit neater. What I want to see is I want to see exponents that I can work with. So that's going to be plus 2, and I'm going to bring this x up, which is going to give me a -1 exponent. Now I can start my differentiation. So it's going to be dy over dx is equal to, right, let's differentiate that first one. So using our exponent law, 4 times 3 is going to give us 12. X, and we need to subtract 1 from our exponent, which will leave us with 2. And similarly for the second term over here, we need to do the same thing. So -1 times 2 is going to give us -2, and then we need to subtract 1 from that exponent, which is going to leave us with -2. And with that in mind, that is pretty much the answer. What I don't like is that negative exponent, so in order to simplify it, I'm just going to make it positive, which is going to be over x squared, and that should be the final answer to this question. And with that in mind, it's really well deserved. These are very nifty questions for some good easy marks in the back pocket. Very special thank you to our sponsor for making this video possible. Be sure to read all about them in the description below. Also, head over to our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, send us the question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until the next time, stay epic.